I want to see the cards too, bro.
Hey guys, doing a box of 10-11 totally certified basketball.
Woo!
That's my broski over there. Alright, so then let's see what we get. First time opening these, so let's see. Don't leave Brady. I don't think I need scissors for that. Okay. First pack. Ben Gordon. JaVale McGee jersey, totally red at $249. And Rudy Gay and Linus Cleesa, totally blue. That at $299. Marcus All, Omri Caspi, totally red jersey at $249. Leandro Barbosa, totally red out of $499. Test Jeff Foster jersey, totally red, $249, and OJ Mayo red at a $499, and a totally gold card of Kyle Lowry, numbered at a 25. And Brooks. Okay, 3 packs left. Still waiting for the auto. Okay, Thaddeus Young.
Oh.
Carlos Booster, totally red jersey.
That's his cousin.
No, it's not. $249. And Luke Mbamute, totally red. Out of $499. Oh, rich. Alright, last 2 packs, so it's gotta be 2 autos in here. Hopefully. Oh, there's my guy. Stephen Curry. The boy. And oh, nice. Landry Fields, rookie auto. Totally red version. So this should be short printed, I think. Yeah. Numbered at a 52 out of 99. On card auto. And totally blue of Trevor Ariza at $299. Okay, last one, so one more auto. Okay, Kobe. And Paul George auto. The regular version on card at a $5.99. And totally red of Kevin Love at a $4.99. And Paul Gasol and Steven Jackson. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.
Carlos Boozer.